And Harbour FC are the KSAFA Nextgen Under-20 champions after a 2-0 win over Arnett Gardens in the finals at the UA Bowl on Sunday. Captain Tyreek Robinson was responsible for both goals, with his first coming in the 55th minute. Robinson returned for a second and time added on to give the Stars of the East victory. Robinson, who ended as the league's top scorer with 10 goals, was also named the MVP of the season.
So I'm very happy to win it. Very pleased because I've been working very hard over this pre-season and during the season, so I'm very happy with myself. I still think I could do more, but happy to win it.
It's Arnett Gardens, they have very quality coaches, and it's just today, it's just who wants it more. When finals go, it's not on a pretty football. We come to do a job, and the job was accomplished.
I think we did a discipline enough on the field where we create our chances, and we didn't take our chances today, and that haunt us. We try to stick to the discipline, the way that we play and the way that we know how to play. But unfortunate players didn't adapt as much.
Now, Arnett ended the game with 7 players as Orlando Grant, Antonio Mitchell, Shankino Grant and Dokane Brown were all red-carded.